Hello everyone, we are reviewing today Vaku LUXOS 20 watt USB-C power adapter. Very nicely packaged 20 watt USB-C power adapter. The look and feel of the box is very solid, very well thought of. The cover opens up with some good literature inside. Take a look, very well done. Inside this box you get the actual charger. Comes with a activation warranty card that you need to activate for 1 year warranty and QC certificates, and this is the actual charger. This is a USB-C port. It's around 4.5 centimeter by 4 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter. Solid build quality with nice gray and black color, and this is pretty lightweight. Love the charger. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.